Hello po at maligayang Biyernes sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay November 18, 2022, isang Happy Friday. At 37 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Ang ating balita ay mga special reports sa AGI, FLI, MWIDE at PGOLD. Ako po si PNJ Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong pang 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayong mag-subscribe. At kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review using technical analysis o may mga tanong tungkol sa stock market o sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking bibigyan pansin. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito should not be taken as financial advice. Again, to my cousin Mari, get well soon. Merong awa ang Diyos. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. Happy Friday, November 18, 2022. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market today. Okay, so let's get on with our news item. At ito po ay galing sa BDO Securities. BSP delivers jumbo rate hike anew. Ito po yung expected 75 basis points rate hike. At base po dito sa PhilStar, stocks return to 6,400 level as BSP hikes rates. Ito po ay ina-expect ng market, no? Kaya po yung pagbaba ng, kasi pagka nag-hike ng rate, bumababa po ang stock market. Pero na-price in na po yan ng market. Tulad po ng question kahapon ni Fernando Dumuk, ang tanong niya ay tungkol sa converge, ano? At ang epekto nito sa presyo niya, no? So, ang sabi niya dito, thank you sir for responding to my question regarding converge based on your explanation impact of its removal come December 1 will have no effect cause it was already priced in. Tama po yun. And the same is true dito po sa interest rate hike dahil in-expect na po ng market yan. And on several occasions, the BSP governor has announced that it will just match the Fed rate hike. So yun po. And any news regarding the stock market on your stocks and the economy that comes in advance is priced in by the market. Okay? Alam nyo ang hindi lang na price in, there is one event na hindi niya na price in. And the stock market didn't see it coming. Ano? Ito yung pag-lockdown, hard lockdown ng March 2020. Hindi po yan nakita ng market. O hindi po yan in-expect ng market. Kumbaga, it's called a black swan event. Okay? Very rare event, pero nangyari. So, nung nag-shutdown at nung mag-reopen ang market, bumagsak ang index, bumagsak ang mga stocks because the market didn't expect a hard lockdown. Yan po. Pero kung ina-expect po ng market yan, ay magre-react kagad yan. Either kung good news yan, tataas kagad yan. Kung bad news, bababa kagad yung presyo. Ganun po. Okay? So, let's go to our special report. And basically, well, yung headlines po muna, no? BSP delivers jumbo rate hike. S&P cuts growth forecast, affirms Philippine investment grade. MWSS announces tariff hikes for Maynilad and MWC. So, tignan po natin ang Maynilad and MWC. I'm sure ipaprice in na po yan ng market. Okay, with that announcement. MWIDE anti-dummy case dismissal reaffirmed by court. Then Rason led Prime Infra to invest 55 billion in water, energy, and waste management. So mamaya tingnan po natin ang mga stocks na ito na nag-figure out sa news. Okay? So let's now go to our special report. Una po, galing po kay Alliance Global. Oh, but before I get to that, I'd like to share with you some, So Jollibee Foods, meron po siyang maintained by with a higher target price, So previously the target price was 275, it was increased to 290, an implied upside of 19.3%. This is attributable to the earnings struck because the earnings first 9 months is above estimates. Nag-grow po yung kanyang sales. Yun po, And then we also have Security Bank sustaining healthy loan growth with asset quality. So the target price was increased to 134 from 132. There's a reaffirm buy. And then also Shakey's Pizza may reaffirm buy with a target price increased from 960 to 990 dahil kumikita po siya. And the earnings are ahead of expectations. So now we have Alliance Global Group or AGI. There is a reaffirm buy because durable consumption spending support earnings. Action valuation, there is a maintained buy, pero the target price was reduced from 18 to 1580. So with a price of 920 yesterday, there's an implied upside of 71.7%. Okay, we also have PhilInvest na neutral, and according to the study, residential growth is steady but leasing recovery lags. Kumikita naman po siya and there is a net income but it's down 37% year on year. So the target price was reduced from 1 peso to 990, and with a closing price yesterday of 83 centavos, there's an implied upside of 8.4%. Next, we have MWIDE Construction. Iba po ito sa Mega World, which is a real estate company. So there's a maintained buy, sharpening its focus on infrastructure. And the 9-month results, the income is below estimates. So the rating remains a buy with a target price of 590, decreased from the previous target of 6 pesos. And with a closing price of 340 yesterday, there's an implied upside of 73.5%. So malaki pa rin ang upside dito. Finally, we have PGOLD. There is a reaffirmed buy with higher target price. So resilient margins guide earnings growth. 9-month earnings exceed expectations. So there is complementary business segments driving top line and sustaining margins. So with a target price of 57.70 increased from 56, the closing price yesterday was 34.80. There is an implied upside of 65.8%. Okay, so yan po ang ating special report. So let's now take a peek or take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange Index and the PSE on how it performed today. All right. Ang PSE Index ay umakyat ng 33.64 points or 0.53% up. At paakyat po ang ating RSI, meaning bullish po ang ating index. Samantala naman, ang ating all-share index ay umakyat ng 0.24%. Samantalang ang lahat ng sectoral indices ay umakyat liban lamang sa holding companies which ended flat. So ang pag-akyat ay pinangunahan ng halos pare-pareho lang siya, Financials 0.95, Umakyat po siya ng 0.95, yan po yung pinaka-mataas. Ngayon po, tingnan po natin ang most active stocks, pero bago po tayo pumunta dyan, meron pong comment dito si Raquel Robrigado. Note ko po yung mga analysis mo ng mga indicators, sir? I'll start with IMG. Ano yung IMG? Baka ang ibig sabihin ay IMI. Anyway, I've talked with my financial educator. Thank you very much for the knowledge you're sharing. Dito lang po ako, sir, supporting your channel. God bless you. Maraming salamat, Raquel. And thank you for your support. Okay, so nag-figure out sa news kanina ay MWC, Monde, AGI, Pure Gold, MEG, and the most active stock today is Ali. So, anin po ang titignan natin? So, umpisahan po natin sa MWC. Umaakyat siya at meron po siyang dividendo, 37.90 centavos. And ang earnings report niya ay maganda rin, no? 1.67 billion ang kanyang earnings or 144.41%. MWC is one of the businesses of Metro Pacific. Manila Water is Ayala, rather. Manila Water is Ayala. Sorry po. Anyway, Maynilad is Metro Pacific. Okay, so meron po siyang dividends, ha? And maganda po yan, ano? At MWC is moving up and ito po, nagkaroon po siya ng breakout dito with volume at nagkaroon ng 2 araw na consolidation. Ngayon po ay nagkaroon po ng continuation. Lahat po ng ating indicators ay nasa ilalim. Tingnan po natin ang parabolic. Yan, may buy siya. Oh. And nung October 10, nag-oversold po yung stock. So kung nakabili po kayo dito, at dito, noong September 28, pero dito po, ang pangalawang oversold level niya, the closing price was at 13. So, malaki po ang kikitain nyo, no? So, let's check how much yan, no? If you were able to buy the closing price here, up to here, so that's 27 working days or about a month, kumita po kayo ng 39.11%. Yan po ang MWC. In the meantime, ang ating support for MWC na nag-grant po yung kanyang rate increase, 13.14 po. And the resistance, nandito po sa area to. Yan. Nasa 1850 po. So, almost resistance level na po ito. Pero bullish po ang stock and nag-overbought po siya dito, no? Meron po siyang overbought level, pero tingnan po natin sa susunod na araw kasi overbought level sa technical analysis ay ibig sabihin po ay overvalued quote-unquote ang stock. Pero based on fundamentals, ang MWC, ano ba ang target price niya? Tingnan natin ang target price ni Manila Water. Wala siyang rating. Hindi po siya ni-rate. Anyway, yan po, no? Overbought na po ang stock. Tingnan natin kung may commentary itong si BDO Securities. We estimate that the approved rate adjustments translate to accumulated 63% hike and 32% for Maynila. Staggered siya yung rate hike niya over 5 years. Okay, next we have MWIDE. MWIDE, favorable yung decision sa kanya, no? Yung arbitral decision. So, sideways pa rin po ang kanyang movement, exponential moving. Yan po, no? Bearish. Bearish po ang dating sa akin based dito sa ating indicators. And dito po sa parabolic SAR ay sell po yung kanyang pababa po, no? So more or less nasa 331 po ang kanyang support level. And right now it's bearish to sideways on the short term. But the nearest resistance, nandito po sa 3.99 to 4 pesos. And MWIDE ay struggling, ano? Yung kanyang financials is struggling. Earnings report. So, the net income, actually it's a net loss. Hindi siya net income, ano? Sa 529 negative, So, 15.87 down, 15.87% down. Total revenue is 3.97, but the net income is not a net income, it is a loss. Okay, next we have AGI. AGI ay, yan, umaakyat po si AGI and it's bullish in the short and medium term. At ito po, no, yung ating indicators, yung short and medium, ay crossover. Malapit na po mag-crossover. At yung kanyang akyat ngayon ay 3.26% na sa 950. And kamakailan lang nag-oversold siya noong October 12 and October 3. So, it's here. Tingnan natin kung gaano kataas from the oversold level ang inakyat niya. So, if you were able to buy at this level, yung oversold niya at this point, noong October 12, RSI was at 27 and the closing price at 770. But if you bought at that level, at that oversold level, mga 25 transaction days o 25 days po yan, ay you could have gained about 23%. In the meantime, ang ating support nandito sa 786, resistance is nakikita ko po dito sa areang to. Yan po, nasa 1075 po ang pinaka-resistance level niya. Fundamentally, AGI ay may presyong Alliance Global, may buy rating at 1580 or about a 70% upside. 70% upside po siya. Yan po ang Alliance Global at umakyat na sa 1570 or sa 950 na po siya ngayon. Yes, it's a 16% upside. Okay, next we have Pure Gold. Si Pure Gold ay maganda ang Pure Gold eh. Kung mababa ang presyo niya, paakyat si Pure Gold ha. And bullish. Bullish po siya. Tingnan niyo po ito, no? Yung ating mga indicators nag-crossover na po siya dito. Ito pong unang crossover, it's the short term over the medium term and the short term over the long term. No? So, dalawang crossover po nangyari. At bullish po siya. In fact, it is overbought. Pero kamakailan lang, nag-oversold po siya nung October 4 at October 6 nung ang kanyang presyo ay nasa 2670. 2670, napakababa ng presyo niya. So, measure nga natin. So, 28 days po yan. No? 28 days po, umakyat na po since that last oversold level. And if you bought it at say 2670, you could have gained 32.13%. Support ay nandito po sa 2667. Pero the next resistance nasa 3582. So almost resistance level na po ito and it is bullish, oversold na po. So ingat lang po tayo, baka po magkaroon ng reversal dito, no? Okay, then Mega World ay, ayan, meron po siyang breakout and the breakout had a surge of 367 kasi po ang breakout lagi pong accompanied dyan by a volume, above average volume. Ito po, no? Kasi po yung shadow po na nandito sa ibaba, yan po yung average volume. Pero kung yung bar graph ay lumagpas po doon sa shadow na yon, above average volume na po yan. So, on the short and medium term, it is bullish. Dahil yung ating mga indicators, yung short and medium term, are under the candlestick, parabolic star nga. Yun, may buy nga. May buy nga siya. So, anyway, support. So, halos support level po, no? So, noong October 10, Ang presyo po niya ay 199, ngayon nasa 226. And si MEG po ay may earnings report po siya. Okay, kumikita naman po 2.95 billion, but this is lower than the previous quarter by 9.38%. Pero kumikita po siya. Unlike MWIDE, which is losing. Okay po. So, support po yan. And then, maaaring magkaroon po yan ng continuation dahil because of this breakout. And the next, the previous support or the previous resistance na naging support ay nasa 217. But the lower support is at 2 pesos. And the next support level na pwede nyo abangan ay nandito po sa 249 to 250. And then finally, we have Ali, the most active stock today. Patuloy na tumataas si Ali, ha? Patuloy siyang umaakyat. And there is an oversold level here. If you were able to catch this at its lowest point, dito po, no? Sa oversold level, ang lowest point niya is on September 30, wherein it reached 22.85. Ngayon, nasa 29.70. So, Ali had the target price fundamentally of 38 pesos or a 33% upside. So, if you were able to buy it here, computin nga natin. So, 33 working days po ito, and it gained 690 or 30.28%. Yan po ang Ali if you bought at an oversold level. Pero overbought na po ito, no? Overbought na po si Ali. So, konting ingat lang po tayo dito. Maaring magkaroon po ng reversal ito, no? So, resistance is here. Actually, resistance level na po ito. Nasa 29.90 to 30 pesos ang resistance level. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-18 ng Nobyembre at 39 days na lang Pasko na. Ito po si Benji Chadora nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.